Beyond all sciences, philosophies, theologies, and histories, a child's relentless inquiry is truly all it takes to remind us that we don't know as much as we think we know. Week 6 schedule. For this week, you'll be developing your research question. So first I'll have you watch a video. It's a 7-minute video about how one goes about doing that, and there are comments for you to leave responding to the video. And then your journal entry this week will be about developing your research inquiry. So you're going to be locating a subtopic in the book. And then in addition to that, finding 3 current sources from the Ithaca College Library website. And then due later in the week will be your Voicethread discussion on Anna Halpern's Dance to Heal. The video response requires you to leave an actual comment. So all you have to do is highlight any word on this page, and you'll then go to insert and then comment, and then you'll answer the following questions regarding ways in which we develop our research question. And if you need further help with understanding how to develop a good research question, you can take a look at this video. It's a short video and provides some examples of good and bad research questions, so you might find that helpful. In your journal entry 6 for this week, which will be due by class time, I have here some various types of examples of research topics, but first I would like for you to discuss kind of without bias what grabbed your attention from the book, like a particular case study, maybe it was a particular strategy or a theory, and I want you to summarize in your own words that part of the book and explain why it grabbed your attention, and then talk about the kinds of questions that you have regarding that. What would you like to know more about? So be curious. In addition, you'll need to find 3 sources from our library website. It could be so they need to be relatively recent, so after the 2016 publication of our textbook. And due later in the week, you will have your Voicethread group discussion looking at Anna Halpern's Dance to Heal. So this is one example of how you could look at a particular subtopic and make connections to expressive writing. So the actual questions are posted in the Voicethread, so you want to make sure you click onto the next slide. And once again, make sure that you respond to your classmates' posts, and when someone replies to yours, make sure you reply to their reply. And it's important that you're present and authentic and empathetic and curious in your responses and replies. And then for the following week, I will then talk about how you can put together the research interest and sources into a research presentation, in a group presentation. For the most part, they're going to work individually, but you'll just be expected to make connections between the relationships between these different forms of expression and to healing and trauma. Okay, I look forward to seeing your work this week.